आज हम करजत की वादियों में छुपा एक सुंदर सा स्टेकेशन एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। यहाँ से आपको दिखाई देते हैं सैकड़ों वाटरफॉल्स और बहुत सारा फॉगी व्यू।
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
कभी कार होने के बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदे रहते हैं। अभी ये देखिए, ये विंड चीटर, हेलमेट, बैग और एक बैग मैंने लगा के रखा है। तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें मुझे अपनी साथी के ऊपर लेके जानी है। सी यू सून।
Welcome back to Casper Curates. I'm your Casper Rutu and today you are with me at the exotic resort of The Hill Connection in Karjat.
Is known as Rhodes Royal. So welcome to my home for a day. So this is the room in which we'll be staying for a day. So here you see a smart TV. So you get a smart TV, you get a refrigerator. They provide you with 2 bottles of these, but the safer side took 2 bottles on our way. They provide you with cups and glasses and a tray, 2 chairs, a table. Then this side you have a stand. So right now it's monsoon, and if you come with any umbrellas or maybe your rain suits or your ponchos, you can just hang them up here, or any kind of wet stuff. Here also you have all your wet stuff to be placed and it can be dried. Then you have a fan here on top, and you also have an air conditioner. So load shedding is a part of this place in Karjat, but yet you have the generator system, so you will not be disappointed for that stuff. You have a queen size bed. On the either sides of the queen size bed, you will get to see a drawer. You can just place your stuff here, and you have a good antique rustic item piece over here. I just love this. I really like this. So now I'll also want to show you that they have provided us with these rustic lamps. Doesn't this give you a feeling of a room in a palace like place? So it does, right? I actually feel that this is really very rustic and very aesthetic. So this carving over here, I really like this. I really like the room. So now let's go ahead and have a look at the toiletries and the bathroom. There are these 3 remotes here. This is your AC remote, this is your fan remote, and this is your TV remote. So they had placed it very, they had organized it very neatly, but it's me who has created this mess, so please ignore this. So now let us have a look at this area here. You get another fan here. There are switches to on and off these lights. There are 2 lights here. You have a mirror here, half length, and you have again a rustic kind of drawers here. So this is a storage where again you can utilize to place your stuff. And now I'm sure you will like this. OMG, the bathtub. Hi. So you get hangers here as well as at the back of the door. You get switches here. There's a mirror here, a sink they have given you with hand wash. Then you have a bathtub here. Along with the bathtub, you have a hand shower as well. Then you have a geyser. You have a normal shower as well. You have both the options of hot and cold water, the red kind of thing you can see here and the blue kind of thing. So obviously you have a geyser, so you have both hot and cold water. You have a jet spray, you have a dispenser, you have a bucket as well and a table as well. For those of you who are not comfortable with the bathtub, I am sure there might be rarely people like this. So yes, you get enough toiletries, and they had given us with tissues as well. So you have we used it, so that's why we placed it here, but they do provide you with the tissue packet as well. So you do not have a toilet paper roll as such, but you do have a packet of tissues provided by them. So you see another part here is that the lightings here, or maybe in the hall as well, not hall but this room here, you can see there are these studio lights, there are these ceiling lights. So it is a good room for you to shoot any kind of stuff. So I really like this place a lot. One thing I'd like to tell you that they don't provide you with towels here, so you will have to get your own towel. So how many number of people you are coming, you will have to get your own towel. You will have to get your own oral kit, that is your brush, paste and stuff.
वेलकम बैक। अभी हम पहुँचे हैं फ़िलहाल हमारे रूम में, और रूम टूर तो आप देख ही चुके हैं। और मैं फ़िलहाल बहुत टायर्ड थी और बहुत हंग्री थी, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा फ्यूल ज़रूरी है ना।
खुद के लिए। तो अभी हमने कुछ ऑर्डर किया है, तो आइए देखते हैं हमने क्या ऑर्डर किया है। तो हमने ऑर्डर की है रोटी और चिकन हंडी जो कि बोनलेस है, और प्लेन राइस। अभी टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कैसा है। मराठी में बोलते हैं झणझणीत, मस्त झणझणीत तिखट है। So that was all for our day 1 vlog in this resort. We have looked at the scenic beauty on our way. We have looked at several waterfalls from the balcony of the 4 BHK villa property. We have also looked at some aerial shots and the pool which was dedicatedly available for the properties of the 4 BHK villa. We also spoke about the taste of the food and our room tour. But that is not enough. There are several things in the property which we are yet to explore, and this scenic beauty is a never-ending one. We will also have a look at the rest of the properties and the room categories in this resort. We will speak about the room tariff. We will also speak about the food, how to reach, along with several other factors of the resort like the rain dance, artificial waterfall, infinity pool, so on and so forth. So stay tuned for more such updates in our vlog 2. Hope you have loved the vlog 1 and you will definitely leave a like and comment and share the video to its fullest. If you have any concerns on the same, please do reach out to us by commenting. Alternatively, you can also subscribe our Instagram page, which is Casper_curates for quick connects regarding our shots. We would also like to tell you that our channel is all about tech, travel and leisure. I will leave a link of the purchase products of my vlogging setup. Hope you will like them and please do purchase. Stay tuned for the next vlog, which is our day 2, where we will be covering many more things. I would also like to mention for the solo travelers, especially females, the night view of the resort is all here for you. It is the safest and all lit for you even during the night. So don't you worry, you can also travel here as a solo traveler without any worries, because this property is all lit for you and decorated all at your service even during the night. So you do not need to worry for any such things. Please do visit the property and also let us know if you have any doubts on the same. Hope you have liked the video. Please do like, share and leave a comment if you have any doubts. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, as you may never see us if you haven't subscribed. वेल ये मेरा बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ द एपिसोड था। आप भी कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कि आपका बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ द एपिसोड क्या था।